Hi everyone, this is Lynn, sales manager at Keewin. Here I am in InfoComm 2026, and you are looking at our latest indoor model. It is a 55 dual side full cover glass model with a 700 nits brightness each side. So for this model, we are offering mainly the customized features here. That means you can decide the size, color, materials, all you want to meet your project's aesthetics. And we are also flexible in terms of brightness, system. Just anything you want for this model, we can make that happen. This is what we do as a specialty. So if you want to find out more, please visit www.keywin.com. Thank you.